Today, we're on a journey, both physically and mentally. As I take you through the beautiful landscapes of regional Australia, we're going to explore a powerful mental wellness exercise, showing gratitude. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's about appreciating the little things, finding joy in the everyday moments, and shifting our focus from what we lack to what we have. And what better place to reflect on gratitude than out here in nature. Alright, let's talk about gratitude. Studies have shown that regularly practicing gratitude can have amazing benefits for our mental health. It can reduce stress, improve our mood, and even boost our immune system. But how do we make gratitude a part of our daily routine? One simple way is to start a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big things. Even small moments like enjoying a cup of coffee or a friendly smile can make a massive difference. Another powerful practice is to express gratitude to others. Take a moment to tell someone you appreciate them. It could be a friend, family member, or even a stranger who did something kind. You'll be surprised at how much this can lift your spirits and theirs. Gratitude also means being mindful of the present moment. As I ride through these incredible landscapes, I take a second to appreciate the beauty around me. I notice the colours, the sounds, the feeling of the wind. These moments are gifts, and recognizing them can transform my mindset. Gratitude is a practice, not a destination. It's about making a conscious choice to see the good in our lives, even when things get tough. So next time you're feeling anxious or overwhelmed, take a step back and find something, no matter how small, to be grateful for. It might just be the shift you need. Thank you for joining me on this ride today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Let's keep spreading positivity and gratitude one day at a time. Until next time, stay safe, stay grateful, and keep riding.
It looks like a nice bucket day, but I tell you what, it's cold. It's colder than a witch's